In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how Framing POS auto calculates closed corner framing shipping fees and oversized fees if there's any that applies to your vendor. So let's go to the molding vendor. We're going to go to product over here to the left, click on that, and you're going to click on molding. By the way, if this was a small menu like this, you want to click on the little three dots. I think they call them a hamburger menu. Click on that, and then you're going to see this bigger. Okay. You're going to go to products, click on moldings. Once you're moldings, you want to click on vendors. In this example, I'm going to show you how to do it for Vermont hardwood, but you can do it for other companies as well. So right here it says framed, closed corner frame, and then you select that. And then you're going to put their base shipping zip code, which I looked on their website and I put it. And let's say you call them up, you say, hey, look, what is your base fee and your minimum fee? And you're going to come in and you're going to input that information here. So this includes base fee plus the cost of the actual shipping fee or whatever the minimum is. So you input this information by talking to your vendor. Now, the next thing you do is you're going to put in oversized pricing. Some closed corner frame companies, they have oversized pricing if the size exceeds a certain footage. In this example, we're going to put this and we say, okay, they do have this rule. Now, I don't know if this is true or not. I'm making this up for demonstration purposes, but I'm going to put, let's say they have an 8-foot minimum. Now, the 8-foot minimum you put here is going to override what the pricing formula you selected for it, okay? So if the pricing formula had 6 feet, but this says 8, the 8 feet is going to override. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to come in and you're going to say, okay, their policy is anything over 12 feet, they want to add 30%. Anything over 16 feet, they're going to add 40%. Now, let's add one more. I'm making all this stuff up, obviously. I'm going to say they want to add 50%. Okay, so this is the information that we made up, but you have to talk to your vendor or look at their website and figure this out. So I'm going to come in here, and now I'm going to save this data. Okay, wait for a confirmation. There you go, saved. So now I'm going to go to a work order. I'm going to try to place a work order or write a work order and see how the automated oversized shipping fees and so on calculates. Click on new work order. Let's put diploma. Let's call it poster because we're going to do something big. All right, I'm going to put 11 by 14. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to look at Vermont hardwoods and you say, okay, let's sell a closed corner frame 158. They have their numbers as FC-158. So if I enter that, it's going to show me everything in the 158 with the different finishes. And then I'm going to click oil and wax ash. There you go. Now, this, if you look up top here, shipping fee applied, and you can see it here. This automatically got calculated. We put a $75 minimum fee, and it calculated for us to be $75. Now, let's make this bigger and see what it comes out to. Okay, so I'm going to put this 30 by 40. Now, as this updates, the cost of shipping will update as well. All right, so the cost of shipping for this one is $192.50. Now, let's try to get this even bigger so we can exceed the footage that we had, okay? So if I go and I say, I don't know, let's make it 36 by 48. Okay, so this will be the cost of shipping. But if you also look at the price calculation here, you will notice that the oversized fee was included too. So if you look here, this tells you there was a 30% oversized fee because it was 12 feet or more. Remember how we set that up at that? So this way, you don't get charged an oversized fee that it wasn't calculated because you already set this up properly, and you're also getting the estimated shipping cost built in the system. So this way you price the product correctly for your customers.